Hey folks, we're kicking off Thursday morning. We're about 15 minutes away from another inflation number. So we had CPI, that consumer price index number out yesterday, big headline number of 7% year over year increase in inflation. Today, we have the producer, the wholesale inflation number coming out, again, due out in about 15 minutes from now. It's looking for a month-over-month gain of about 0.4%, similar rise that we saw in CPI. So again, another big risk event to be ready for coming out before the market opened. That being said, looking at these markets, yesterday we had that CPI and it was a non-event as far as the equity market's concerned. We saw S&P, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq all trade higher, albeit it was a very, very quiet session all around. We're seeing a very similar tone today, trickling their way higher, but no major moves to speak of. That being said, where we are seeing some action, particularly of note yesterday, is in that dollar. That's right, FX, dollar weakness. We're seeing strength in the euro, now with a 1.14 handle on it, and strength in the pound with a 1.37 handle. We're also seeing strength in that yen. So we're seeing some big moves in FX, and there's some opportunity to take advantage of some price action. Over in oil, been very quiet, not a lot to speak of today, trading just below $82 a barrel in WTI. All right, folks, another big day, about to kick off earnings season. We've got that PPI number due out here in a couple minutes, and then we're going to roll ourselves into Friday. Don't forget, on Monday, it's a holiday with Martin Luther King holiday, so all the stock markets are closed. That being said, Nadex will be open in our FX contracts during that morning session. We will be open on Monday. Let's get in there. Let's trade it up. All right, folks, have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow.